My dear students, in this video I am going to explain you the types of vectors. So don't skip and watch the video till the end. Number 1. Parallel vector. If two vectors are in exactly same direction or in exactly opposite direction, then those are treated as parallel vectors. There are two types of parallel vectors. One is like parallel vector, another is unlike parallel vector. Whenever two vectors are exactly in same direction, then their angle is 0. These are treated as like parallel vector. And when two vectors are exactly in opposite direction, then these are treated as unlike parallel vector. It should be noted that the magnitude of parallel vector is not a factor. Whatever be the magnitude, that may same or may not be same, but the only direction is concerned here. If two vectors are parallel, then they follow this condition. If P and Q vector are parallel vectors, then P vector should be equal to m into Q vector, where m is a scalar quantity. I give you an example here how you can check two vectors are parallel or not. Suppose P vector is I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap and Q is half I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So we can arrange Q vector as half into I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Here this part I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap, this is P vector. So we can write Q vector m into P vector, where m is here half, and we can say that now P and Q both are parallel. Number 2. Equal and opposite vectors. If two vectors of equal magnitude and same direction, that means if two like parallel vectors have same magnitude, then we can treat them as equal vector. Suppose here P vector and Q vector both have same magnitude and same direction. So we can consider them as equal vector. Similarly, if two vectors of same magnitude but opposite direction, that means two unlike vectors of same magnitude, then we can treat them as opposite vectors. Here R vector and S vector both are same magnitude but oppositely directed. Here we can say that R vector is equal to minus of S vector. Number 3. Collinear vectors. If all the vectors are parallel, whatever be their magnitude, then these are treated as collinear vectors. Here P vector, Q vector, R vector, these are all collinear vectors. Maybe their magnitude same or not, maybe their direction are equal or opposite. As all are parallel, then we can say that these are collinear. Number 4. Concurrent or co-initial vector. Whenever all the vectors start from a common point or common origin, then all are known as concurrent or co-initial vector. Here P vector, Q vector, R vector all start from point O. Then these are treated as co-initial or concurrent vectors. Number 5. Zero vector or null vector. If the magnitude of a vector is 0 and if there is no arbitrary direction, then that vector is treated as null vector. It is denoted by a point. Suppose two opposite vectors act from a point, then the resultant should be 0 because magnitude remains same but this is directed oppositely, then the effect of each other are cancelled. Suppose here a particle is at point A. It is displaced up to point B, indicating by an arrow. Now again it retraces its path like this. Therefore, it again come back at same point A. That means the magnitude remains 0 and there is no arbitrary direction. Number 6. Orthogonal vector. If two vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other, then those are known as orthogonal vector. Here p vector and q vector are perpendicular, then these are treated as orthogonal vector. The dot product or scalar product of two orthogonal vectors always 0. Number 7. Coplanar vectors. If all the vectors lie on same plane, then those are treated as coplanar vectors. The volume created by coplanar vectors would be 0. Here p vector, q vector, r vector all lie on screen. Therefore, these vectors are treated as coplanar vectors. Suppose we consider three vectors p, q, r along x, y and z axis respectively. If we consider xy plane, then p vector and q vector are lying on that plane. Therefore, these are coplanar. For yz plane, r vector and q vector are coplanar vector. And for xz plane, p and r vector are coplanar vector. Number 9 is polar and axial vector, and number 10 is unit vector. There are two separate videos on polar and axial vector and unit vector. You can watch it. I hope you have got a clear idea about types of vectors. You can share your views on this topic in comment section. To get various concepts of physics for the preparation of your competitive exam like NEET, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, or as well as board exam also, you can visit our free website Koushi.in. The link of that website is given in the description box.